Yeah, good morning. Today is about January 10, Big Upbeat Senior. Thank you for all the watchers of my YouTube, Hearty Satina and Hearty Pure Care, and Metro Barometer. So this is it, again. The third part, is about the prevention is better than cure. We done the treatment and the management, and we done the Arwin, it's done already, and then now it's the latest about the prevention is better than cure, supported by the American, again, the Philippines. Would like to thank, for the help of us, especially for the subscribers at 198 as of last night. And then thank you. This is my 10 race, the Cebu Marathon 2016 with John Pajes and Rio there. And again, congratulations to all the runners. This is it. My next run is about, I hope, by February or March. Again, I will continue running until the end, and then back in the road. This is my 10th race. Again, it's 42K. So here's the middle, Again, thanks for my cousin Jipoy, Mark and Mimi and Monstar. We're now into marathon. Marathon is about what Dr. calls is 50 to 20 liters of blood per minute if it's strenuous exercise. So it's good for your health. There's a toothpaste to taste the heart. There's treadmill and stationary bike. So running is the best. Again, thank you. And this is the first on my YouTube of vacation Balitatano. Again, thank you and morning. So again, here's John, John, Jipoy, and Mark. Where's Mimo, Oh, there. Mimoy, there, Again, there's Rio, there's John. This is from the Cebu Executive Brothers Club, Again, finish. My time is about 5:44. Again, it's my 3 months of training. Then I done 42 twice now already. Again, it's about the training, Dili ni siya yung basta-basta. It's about training and support and learning, Again, you have to learn, and then you have the kanang itawag na to kanang training program, in order to prevent our injury. So there's Rio. There. Again, this is the big event, the Cebu Marathon 2016, the Big Upbeat Senior. There you are. There. John, my best friend, in running. There you are. So here, the marathon, the medal. There. There's Rio. There. And thank you. Again, once again, thank you to all the runners. And again, prevention is better than cure. There. First one, Monia. Jipoy, Jipoy is about 21K. It's my first cousin. And then mga with their mga asawa, husband and wife, again, prevention is better than cure. There's Gigi, Oh, there you are, Again, so it's Mon. So this is my first video to be uploaded in the YouTube. There's Cebu Marathon. This is a big event here in Cebu every second Sunday of January. There. Come and visit Cebu, There's a big event there called IT Park. Again, thank you to YouTube and Google and Facebook, Yahoo and Microsoft for spreading the good news. Again, we're done already. Now the third part is the prevention better than cure. So I'm into marathon, documented all, from first until 10, until the end of my life, because life is my run, Running is my life. Again, running is my life. And there you are. And thank you, and good morning. The time is about here. It's about 9:40. Yeah, there. Again, thank you stood here, no? The Cebu Executive Runners Club as a member. There, this is our marathon. Together with Rio, no? Run Rio. Again, thank you, and good morning. RG Satina po, naka-Arwin Ergometer. There, John! Hi, John. Okay, thank you.